Hi everyone, welcome back to the Wire Wizards channel. This is a complete change for me. I'm Donna. You'll normally find me in the accounts and an admin department of Wire Wizards. The guys are really backed up with work at the moment, and we've had our stock delivery and they asked me if I'd step in and do a video this week, and I said yeah, of course I'll give it a go, but it has to be in Donna's way and what Donna understands about the technical side, which I have to admit sometimes isn't great. So with this product, the TP-Link 5-port Gigabit Easy Smart switch, I'm going to talk to you about some of the features that I understand and in my way. So I said to the guys, you guys get so technical with the jobs that they do, which is great, which suits them. It has the understanding of the job, but this is in my terms and what features that stick out for me and what I'd potentially be swayed to buying this. Anyway, so let's get on with the video. So let's get this cellophane off of here and have a look what we get in the box. So we've got our unit here. It's got a nice metallic finish to it. You've got the ports there on the end. Yep, quite a nice feel to that. So let's get a quick measurement of that. So you're looking at about 10 centimetres across and about just under 2.5 centimetres depth. Yep, not bad finish to that. So also in the box you also get the installation quick guide to it, and obviously like your power. There we go. Put that back in there. Right. So with the way things are today with people's budgets, we're always looking for cost-effective solutions for our customers, and I do want to put it out there, we do not in any way get any discount from TP-Link to push their products at all. We buy everything at full price, and as I said before, I've jumped into this and I'm in the admin and accounts department, and I book the guys jobs for them as well. And I always, another good way to judge a product is, do we get any service calls back on these units? And we don't. So this is a really good plus for TP-Link on this unit. In May 2023, and these units are retailing at about anywhere between £38 and £48 plus delivery, so have a shop around and have a look before you make that purchase. I'm going to put a split screen up now with the rest of the features of this switch, so you can have a look at them, and I'm just picking out a few what I understand and what I know about. So first of all, we've got the IGMP snooping. IGMP is improving network efficiency by identifying multicast traffic. So what does that mean? Multicast traffic is sending out data to any number of devices. So say for instance you could have 2 iPads on in your house that were interested in watching the King's coronation. It will only send it to those that want it. Having IGMP reduces the amount of unnecessary traffic onto your network, which doesn't mean it ends up being that laggy. Following on from that feature, which I think is actually quite good, is the one up there which is called Storm Control. On this switch, it monitors and stops unnecessary traffic on your network. You're going to need to configure the limit up so it knows when it's reaching that limit, because you don't want more than about 80% of your bandwidth being used up, which will again cause you to have a laggy network. Another one of the features that I've picked out is the PoE recovery is a good feature to enable. We all have PD devices. So what does PD mean? That means powered devices. These are VoIP phones or IP cameras or wireless access points. If this switch finds that a PD device has stopped sending data for a long period of time, then it will reboot it. I've gone through some of the features, and to be able to mess around with those features, enable them, disable them, you need to go and set yourself up a free TP-Link Omada account. From that dashboard, it will let you see your network status, make any changes, disable the features, enable the features. So go ahead, I'm just going to put that up on screen as well. Go ahead and make yourself one of those accounts and it will make your life a lot easier. That's it from me. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope it's been bearable. As I said right from the beginning, I've touched upon a few of the features of this unit that I would be looking for potentially, because none of us want a laggy network. And hopefully the guys will be a bit less busy next time round and they'll be able to do their own video. So catch you on the next one. See you later.